Morphology. Definition. In Greek, morphe meaning forms, logos meaning to study. Study of forms of organisms. Morphology deals with study of external structures or appearance with reference to shape, size, color, forms, number, relative positions, and arrangement of parts or organs of organisms or plants. Morphology helps in recognition of plants, classification of plants, study of deficiency and toxicity symptoms of minerals, helps in plant breeding program. Herbs, non-woody plants having soft, fragile, pliable stem, less branched, height up to or below 2 meter. For example, rice, wheat, onion, cabbage, potato, tomato, etc. Shrubs, also called bush, less woody plants, lower part woody while upper part is herbaceous, highly branched, branches develop just above the ground, height from 2 to 5 meter, for example, rose, jasmine, etc. Trees, woody and branched plants, branches develop after certain height more than 5 meter. For example, mango, neem, banyan, etc. Trailers, prostrate plants, stem spread horizontally above the ground, no further rootings at regular intervals. For example, euphorbia. Creepers, prostrate plants with horizontal spreading stem, root formation occurs at regular intervals from nodes. For example, grasses. Twiners, soft, weak stem plants, stem itself twine or coil around support. For example, Iponia. Climbers, soft, weak stem plants have special structures like tendril, etc. to hold or coil the support. For example, cucumber, watermelon. Lineage, woody climbers having thick stem. For example, hyptae, epiphytes, plants which grow over other plants called space parasite or space host. For example, vanda. Annual plants, lifespan up to 1 year or 3 to 4 months or one season. They grow, mature, reproduce, and die in one season or 3 to 4 months. For example, rice, potato, pea, gram, maize, etc. Biennial plants, lifespan up to 2 years, grow, mature, reproduce, and die in 2 seasons or 2 years. First season or first year perform vegetative growth, and second season or second year perform reproduction and then die. For example, sugarcane, henbane, beet, cabbage, radish, carrot. Perennial plants, lifespan more than 2 years, produce flowers and fruits more than once. For example, mango, guava, rose, banyan, neem, apple, etc. Terrestrial plants grow on land. Hydrophytes, aquatic plants grow in water. Xerophytes grow in high temperature, water scarcity in desert. Mesophytes grow in moist, marshy area. Halophytes grow in saline, salty area. Psammophytes grow in shady area. Ceophytes, shade plants, grow under canopy of other large plants. Heliophytes, sun plants, tall trees. Succulents, plants with thick, pulpy, mucilaginous stem or leaves. Total stem parasite. For example, Cuscuta, Amarbel. Total root parasite. For example, Rafflesia, largest or biggest flower. Partial stem parasite. For example, Viscum. Partial root parasite. For example, Santalum, sandalwood, largest parasite plant. Total parasite plants cannot prepare their food. Partial parasite plants can prepare their food depend for water and minerals on their host. Flowering plants, angiospermic plants, has cylindrical plant axis and associated structures divided into two parts. Above the ground part called shoot system, under the ground part called root system. Shoot system has stem plus lateral appendages like branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruits. It represents heterogeneous system. Root system has main root plus lateral roots. It represents homogeneous system. Stem and main root represent axis of plants. Flowering plants, two major parts: vegetative part, reproductive part. Vegetative part has root, leaf, stem. Reproductive part includes flower, fruit, seed. Root, leaf, stem are vegetative organs. Flower, fruit, seed are reproductive organs. Flowering plants Flowering plants have organ level organization. In plants, organ system level organization absent. The root, descending underground, homogeneous, non-green, achlorophyllous part of plant. Non-photosynthetic, cuticle, nodes, internodes, bud, leaves absent. Mature root brown in color. Root positive geotropic or gravitropic, positive hydrotropic, negative phototropic. Root part of plant that grow from radicle of germinating seed. Types of root. Taproot found in gymnosperm dicot develops from radicle. Radicle forms primary root, main root. Primary root long living called taproot. Primary root produces secondary roots. Secondary produces tertiary roots. Tertiary produces rootlets. Primary root plus lateral roots, that is secondary, tertiary and rootlets together form taproot system. Fibrous root found in monocots develops from radicle. Radicle form primary root. Primary root short living replaced by fine, long, thin, thread-like bunch of roots present below stem base. Roots and root branches form fibrous root system. Fibrous roots are actually adventitious root. Adventitious root found in pteridophyte, dicots and monocots develops from parts other than radicle like stem, leaf, etc. In taproot system, root branches, that is lateral roots, arranged in equipetal manner, that is older roots at base and younger roots at tip. Functions of root: absorption of water and minerals from soil, storage of food, fixing and anchoring of plant, synthesis of plant growth regulators PGR like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. Zones or regions of root. Four regions. Zone or region of root cap. Apical or terminal in position, made up of parenchyma rich in Golgi body, secretes mucilage, protects root apical meristem from soil friction. Zone or region of meristem, subapical or subterminal in position, 1 millimeter part, white color, has dividing cells called root apical meristem RAM. Add new cells in root. Zone or region of elongation or vacuolization, 4 to 6 millimeter part, vacuole formation and elongation or enlargement of cells occur. Zone or region of maturation, differentiation, root hair, 4 to 8 centimeter part, cells mature, deposition of additional cell wall materials, cells functionally differentiated in permanent tissues, unicellular root hair also formed. Modifications of root: change in forms, structures and physiology or function of root. Taproot modification for storage of food: fusiform root, spindle shaped, narrow at base, broad in center, tapering towards tip. For example, radish, Raphanus sativus. Conical root, cone shaped, broad at base and gradually tapering from center towards tip. For example, carrot, Docus carota. Napiform root, spherical or subspherical in shape, narrow at base, much more broad in center and suddenly tapers at tip. For example, beetroot, Beta vulgaris and turnip, Brassica rapa. Tuberous root, no proper shape of root. For example, 4 o'clock plant, Mirabilis jalapa and Perval trichosanthus. Modifications of tap root branches. Respiratory root, pneumatophore or aerophore. Found in plants growing in salty or marshy area where water saturated soil present. There is deficiency of oxygen in soil. Branches of horizontally growing tap root start growing vertically upward for respiration, that is exchange of gases O2 and CO2. Represent negative geotropic roots called respiratory roots. Roots have pores at the tip called lenticels or nematodes, helping in exchange of gases. For example, mangrove plants of Sundarban of West Bengal, Rhizophora, Soneraceae, Abyssinia, Cereops, Heritera. Modification of tap root branches. Nodulated roots found in Papilionaceae or Fabaceae family, that is legume plants like pea, gram, groundnut, Arachis hypogaea, soybean, glycine max, etc. Nodulated roots have swollen tumor, knot or knob-like structures having nitrogen-fixing symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium called root nodules. Root nodules are formed due to excess division of root cells. In root nodules of nodulated root, fixation of atmospheric nitrogen occurs performed by nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Modifications of adventitious root for storage of food. Tuberose root, single root develops from node having improper shape. For example, sweet potato, Icomia batata. Fasciculated root, multiple swollen improper shaped root present at the base of stem or lowermost node. For example, Dahlia asparagus. Nodulated root, adventitious roots showing swellings at the tip due to food storage. For example, mango ginger and turmeric. Monoliform bead-like root. Root shows swellings at regular intervals. Annulated root, swellings present as compressed rings like, for example, ipecac plant. Prop root or pillar root, found in large giant tree, for example, banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis. Develop from branches of tree, grow vertically downward, can also penetrate soil. Represent positive geotropic root, also have root caps. Young prop root has hygroscopic character, can absorb atmospheric water or moisture. Pillar roots provide support to the giant tree. Stilt root or brace root, found in plants having long unbranched stem. Stilt roots develop from few lower nodes of stem, grow obliquely downward and mostly penetrate the soil, provide support to the long stem. Stilt roots represent bunch of tubular roots which show further branching at tip. It is non-hygroscopic. For example, SMS, sorghum, jowar, maize, scoopine, pandanus, sugarcane, saccharum. Adventitious roots with special functions. Floating roots, white, flat, spongy roots arise from branches help in floating and respiration. For example, Jusia, assimilatory or photosynthetic roots. Green roots synthesize food by photosynthesis. For example, Trapa, water chestnut, Tinospora, Tinophyllum, Podostemon. Hostorial or sucking or parasite roots found in non-photosynthetic parasite plants. Roots penetrate inside host plant, establish connection with vascular tissue and suck water and food from xylem and phloem. For example, COVI, C for Cuscuta amarvale, O से Orobanche, V से Viscum. Climbing or clinging roots found in climber plants having soft weak stem arise from nodes or internodes represent non-absorptive adventitious roots that penetrate in the crevices of host plant but do not establish connection with vascular tissue. Roots help the plants to stand upright erect. For example, betel plant, pan, pothos, money plant, tecoma, ficus pumila, climbing fig, hygroscopic or epiphytic or aerial or hanging roots found in epiphytes, that is space parasites, help in absorption of water or moisture from atmosphere by special tissue called velamen. For example, orchids, vanda, dendrobium. Reproductive roots, fleshy adventitious roots having presence of birds help in vegetative propagation of new plants. For example, sweet potato, Ipomia batatas, Dahlia. Epiphyllous roots arise from margin of leaves having presence of birds help in vegetative reproduction. For example, Bryophyllum, begonia, contractile or pull roots can shrink 60 to 70% of original length and bring underground organs at proper depth in the soil. For example, crocus, saffron, freesia, onion, allium, lilium, root thorns, hard, thick, pointed. For example, pothos, armatus, acanthorrhiza.